Hi, welcome to the Property Advisor. One of the most common questions I get asked is, what's the difference between the deposit and the down payment? Are they the same? The simple answer to it is, no, they are not. If you look at one of my former videos, you'll see that the deposit is usually 1% of the purchase price, but you might be putting down 10%. So a $400,000 house, you put down $40,000. You might put down 3.5% on an FHA deal. That's a lot more than the deposit itself. Remember, your deposit goes to escrow, and when it comes to closing, that deposit goes towards your down payment. Right here, number 2, your deposit is used towards your down payment. Do the math, $400,000 purchase. If you put 5% down, that's $20,000. If you have $4,000 as your deposit in escrow, when it comes time to closing, you'll need another $16,000. A lot of people are afraid that that deposit is in addition to the purchase price. It is not. The deposit is part of the purchase price. And the question that often gets asked to me is, when do I need all that money? Well, almost certainly when you make your offer, you're going to need to prove to the seller that you do have the money so that he knows or she knows that they've got a solid deal. But when do you actually need that cash in hand? So when you make your offer, you're going to have a 1% or similar deposit, and you will wire that money to escrow within 3 days of getting an accepted offer. Then you go into typically a 30-day escrow. It may be 45 days. Somewhere around a week before close, your lender is going to be ready to have you sign loan documents and fund that loan. You need then to transfer the balance of your down payment into escrow. So you need dollars 3 days after acceptance, and then you need dollars a week to 10 days before close. That's the difference between and the importance of the deposit and the down payment. Hey, please click subscribe and get bell notifications, and make sure you select all so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks so much.